So we have just decided to come and eat at a place called Carrabbas. We've never been in here before. We actually intended to go to Cracker next door, but their grill broke down. So we've popped in here and it looks like a really nice place. There's an open kitchen where you can see everything being cooked. Looks like there's loads of nice wine. Everything's cooked from scratch. Yeah, it looks like a really nice restaurant. So quickly, we're in like a little nook around the corner. But yeah, this is the menu. The name, I don't know if I've abused the name, but that's the name there.
T-Rexes are carnivores, aren't they?
So when the food, we'll order, and then when the food comes out, I'll show you what we've got, and then we'll tell you how it was.
Square pasta. And let me try this.
Okay. It's your dinner, is it? Oh, it might be a bit hot. Let's cut that for you, Jack. All right, so we've got some side salads as well there. They look really nice, and we've got some chicken noodle soup as well on the side. Alright, so I got a trio, so I've got a steak, I've got a pasta, and I've got like a chicken dish as well. It's really nice, it looks really nice. I upgraded to the 10-ounce steak as well. And what did you get? You got...
I've got sirloin, 7-ounce sirloin.
7-ounce sirloin,
yeah, with broccoli
chips
and
broccoli.
Yes.
And we've got a lasagna. Fresh.
Nice.
Again, remember these are all
nice.
made to order.
I've got
And that looks really nice.
chicken pasta.
Chicken pasta. That'll do.
Tomato sauce, chicken with a soup.
And to be honest with you, straight away we've had the starters, we've had the salad. I mean, it's not even a starter, it's just like a, what do they call it, like an aperitif, that kind of thing. It's like
I'm not sure.
an appetizer.
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's really fresh. It's really nice.
But they said that everything's made fresh.
Yeah. So let's try it, and then we'll let you know how it was.